Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Microsoft Word to default settings. Now, I have this Microsoft Word right here. As you can see, I have made some few changes here. I'm going to show you what to do. So let's go ahead and close this first. So once we have closed the Microsoft Word, let's go over and open the registry editor. And then from here, what we're going to do is head over to software, to Microsoft, and then we're going to go over and scroll down below to Office. There you go. And then 16. So 16 is actually the latest version of the Microsoft Word. So that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to go over and delete this one. So I'm going to right click on this one, hit the delete, click yes, and then we can go over and basically open the Microsoft Word once again. And yeah, there you go, everybody. So the moment you have done that one, you can see that now we are back to the light mode and default of Microsoft Word.